In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect NinjaTrader to TradingView. We'll walk through this step by step right on your TradingView chart so you can place trades through NinjaTrader while using TradingView's interface. Make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open before you start. First, look at the top of your chart for the trading panel. You'll see a button labeled Trade, usually along the bottom of the screen or near the order panel. Click the small arrow beside the Trade button. That arrow opens a menu with different broker and connection options, and this is where we'll set everything up. From the menu that appears, choose the option that says Connect Another Broker. This tells TradingView that you want to link a new brokerage or trading platform to your account, rather than using any previously connected ones. It will open the full list of supported brokers in a new panel. Once that panel is open, look for the search icon, typically a magnifying glass, usually at the top of the broker list. Click on the search icon to bring up the search field. This is much faster than scrolling through the entire list, especially if TradingView supports many brokers in your region. In the search bar, start typing NinjaTrader. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results, showing you matching connections. Make sure you spell it correctly so the option appears right away. If you don't see it at first, pause for a second to let the list refresh. When you see NinjaTrader appear in the list, click on it. This selects NinjaTrader as the broker or platform you want to connect to TradingView. After you click it, a new window or panel will open, asking you for your NinjaTrader account details. In this final step, carefully fill in the required details to connect your NinjaTrader account. This usually includes your login credentials or any specific connection information NinjaTrader requires. Take your time and double check everything you enter to avoid connection errors. When you're done, click on the Connect button. If all the details are correct, TradingView will link to your NinjaTrader account, and you should see NinjaTrader listed as connected in your trading panel. From there, you can start sending orders directly from TradingView to your NinjaTrader account, using the tools and layout you're already comfortable with.